personal prophecy. God said this year will be better, and you were screaming amen. Food, all this kind of animals. Nazo hanky naka mbaka 50,000 naira. Aquarafa water, aquarafa ice cream. Since you have been licking the ice cream, Nando got the number. Since you started drinking that aquarafa water, HIV Igbo Ala, the diabetes area go Ala. When you get fools. This page na media na ebuka shunishi. Fools. But do you know that Ofumbrogona, your village, can cure your stomach ache? Mbaka lanya can't balance yaba to wago. Mbaka say Nande abunde arrange no bukwego ka na chobo nkobunka, but you always place the account number on your life program. If someone did akazigim. Jesus rush your state, help your state, and jumped into Imo State. Where is the sin? Kebe or the governor, executive governor, no why? Aritu na moto gabra kaga konye ti white in him or what? But due to some burial rice, eketara we zwoge. Burial rice, and eketa we ya zwoge. Buhari just commented that I mean, J-Pack just commented and said Buhari is a prayer answered. J-Pack, which prayer answered? Which prayer answered? Which prayer answered? You saw Mbaka. You saw the confusion Mbaka was rendering everywhere. What you said was, the same God who speaks to Mbaka speaks to you, gave you sense to reason like human being. The problem, Bo, you don't know how to separate Paul and Barnabas. You don't know how to separate Paul and Barnabas. God spoke to Mbaka. God lied to Mbaka, telling Mbaka that Father, after 8 years of Rocha Sokrocha, Mbaka now climbed the pulpit again and heard the shoulder of Hankem and said, Onya, I just have to do this because it has been a burden in my heart. I want to address this. I later called the father and asked the reverend father, Father, we say no till you ife. So I just want to say this. Go and check exactly when Mbaka made that video. It was some weeks to the elections of Imo State, and Ohankem was already contesting under Accord Party. You went to school, but you refused to have sense. Some persons who graduated yesterday, they have now become illiterate as of today. You know why? They stopped reasoning like human beings. The burial rice, the only time you were eating rice when you were small, your mother got there waterproof rice. That alone stopped you from reasoning like human being. Therefore, anywhere mega bazaar you want to go and support, can you rice? The prophecy of Mbaka, is it not affecting your country as of today? Or Bode Bukashi your country as of today? Are you not suffering? Are you not suffering? According to the information I heard and certain evidences people sent to me here. That's adoration grand now. Go and check the picture, the master plan of which Mbaka presented. Go and check if it's exactly what Mbaka has built now. But monies we are being contributed. So the billions, the millions of dollars that were contributed for that, for you to use and build that place, you did not use the money to build that place. After some years, you now want P2B. You now want P2B to be the one to come and build that cathedral for you. Hey, Obi said, I will not give you money. Go and show me somewhere. In place. Mbaka said, I don't block work. Give me a transfer. Charaga will take on a waterproof. Only Diego the too small na waterproof. He didn't even open it to check if it's dollars. Obo P2B. From that day, all of you are still suffering. You want P2B as president, but you hate Mbaka. You love Mbaka, who stood against your vision. Why couldn't he go to America and prophesy that Donald Trump should remain in power as a Christian? Hey, I want to get so my hand down as I said, because I hear Trizy. That's why I block people. That's why I block some people. Here about Handi, we have in Nigerian. When Nigerian has a treason or treason, call felony, as I can't cable, call terrorist, call prison. Tell me, write your name board camera. Or say that Mbaka did not say that Holy Ghost told him about Ohankem. He heard stories. Oburi Anishi, Otako Shinu story against P2B. Oburi Anishi and worked against Nigerians. This is who Mbaka is. Let the kind of son so many. Where is Jesus? Son of Mbaka. What they care about them mother? Onyezinyo. Onyeze Jesus. Father. Even his English self. English himself they were deflected. Also, Father of Men's. Odumeje my brother Kagodionye Nkama. Odumeje did civilize. Odumeje we came by mother. Are you getting what I'm saying? So the national prophecy of Mbaka has kept your country where it is today and has kept dealing with you till tomorrow. His prophecy, I can see crazy is his name. His prophecy brought Tinubu again to power because it was the prophecy that intimidated P2B and Atiku Abubakar. If at all he did not do that to attack those people, there would have been thousands, millions of votes for P2B, and nobody would have been able to rig the election. I plan to check a rig election. You told us that hope was in 2 years. That was information. Even with a higher informant, you know, to show you how Mbaka gets information. Mbaka with that first class information. That is why he was able to know how they do RNG. And let me tell you, like these things you see me preach, you see me say here, I cannot successfully describe them if I have no deep knowledge about it. This is the truth. Hate me for telling you these things. This is the way it is. The reason why he fully either I'm a witch or a wizard, or I am called by God. These three things one must be. Don't see it as ordinary. Suspect everything you see around you. It is your right. In this 21st century, when cars are now driven by robots, that is when somebody is still telling you need more mechanic at 58 years. In of 58 years.
How many years?
I think I've noticed the comment of this boy Nachaki K. Wantakre. Oye Kachuku Val Kosogin. Not I block one person. A cookie. Come and get out from this page. Chineke Bawa Kwagishi. This idiot name man obo. No home everywhere. Come and get out. Anyway, one thing I would have exposed now, but I don't want to do that. Anyway, one boy who came to my inbox to threaten me before because of Onyeze Jesus. and I bashed it on him. Took time. When he saw danger, Obama to stay quiet. Obala confessed was here.